Hi everybody.
My name is Garrick.
You have to say cut.
Yeah.
We're professional. You're supposed to count down. 10,
Where's your
9,
clapper?
8.
No, hook
I've
him.
never done a second take before.
We don't have to. We can edit it. Hook him. Let's talk about your little incident you had with your brand new baby that you no longer like. It's been in the shop twice now.
A few months ago I said that we had a McLaren and we've had a Bentley before and a Rolls Royce, ironically. And I've always said that, you know, I'd like the way those cars look, but after having the McLaren, I'm like, man, the British don't know how to make cars. Like, it's terrible. Something happens all the time with them. And when something happens, you have to get the part like overseas. So brand new 2020 Bentley Continental GT, driving it, a stone fall, I guess, from the highway, goes into the air conditioning, what is it, air conditioning?
The
condenser.
The filter or something?
Cracks it, $8,000, and they don't even cover it. Took it to Bentley in Newport Beach, and I swear to God, they've had the car for 3 weeks. And every time, Friday I'll be ready, or Monday I'll be ready. It's like, if that was my only car, I just spent $260,000 on a car that broke down a month later, and it's already been in the shop for almost a month now. So,
well, the screen stopped working, right?
yeah, and it's the second thing that happened. The first thing that happened was the screen froze. You were stuck between navigation and like the clock, and they're like, oh, you know what? It's some kind of recall we have right now. We haven't figured it out yet, but when we do, we'll let you know. I'm just like, what? Boys and girls, you don't just stay away from the British. It's a nice place to go visit. They're nice people. I think Germans make the best cars. Let's just stick with that. Italians are good at it too. Americans are getting better. Elon's pretty good. Let's just go with that. What do you think?
Yeah, that's good.